Hello friends, are you looking for a job or do you want to earn money from online? So friends, this video is for you because in this video I'm going to discuss what is blogging and how you can earn money from it. So friends, what is blogging? So blogging is nothing guys. It's just helping people to get the answers for what they're looking. So blogging is nothing, it's just helping people to get the answer for what they're looking. And when the blogging was started? The blogging was started in the year of 1994. And from that time to now onwards, it's trending in online market. And why it's trending in online market? Because all the business entrepreneurs, all the companies, all the writers, they are writing a blog and they are publishing on their website. So people are visiting to their websites and they can see their product reviews and they can buy from their websites. And what is the benefit for it? And the companies, the business owners, the writers are getting customer from it and they are selling products by online. So for that they are getting long term and loyal customers, they are getting feedback from the peoples and they are increasing their brand value, they are improving their product on daily basis. So this is the reason the blog is trending right now. And now you have a question that how you can write a blog. So writing a blog, it's very easy guys, just believe me. Let's give an example. I am good in digital marketing and I know all the ins and out about this digital marketing. So I can write a blog easily on the same thing. So think on your perspective, in which industries are you expert, in which subject you are expert. So if you are expert in a hotel industry, just write a blog on hotel industry. If you are expert in a engineering industry, just write a blog in engineering industry. If you are a student and you are good in science or you are good in commerce, then you can write a blog in science, you can write a blog in commerce. Got it? So writing a blog, you need a website, and for that website you should buy a hosting and domain. And I am recommending you to buy a hosting and domain from HostGator and Bluehost. Why I am recommending you to buy a domain from HostGator and Bluehost? Because they have a very good support services. So if you want to buy a domain and hosting, you can buy from this video link below. And now I'm going to discuss how you can earn money from blog. And before I going to discuss, I would like to say one thing. If you like my video, please do subscribe and share. And let's jump into it without doing any delay. So friends, this is my computer screen, and in this computer I'm going to show you how you can earn money from blogging. So let's start. So in a search bar right here, best mobile under 30,000 and enter. And just scroll down to this page and let's click this website www.digit.in and click this link here. And here you can see this digit.in owners, he has written and blog post about the best phones under 30,000 rupees in India. So this is the keyword which is I have searched, and that website came to the top page and I have clicked this link and I am here. So you will get to know about the best phones under 30,000 in India, which is he has written. So what are the phones are there? One, Poco X3 Pro,
this is under 30,000. And here we can see also the OnePlus Nord, this is also under 30,000. And they have also mentioned here other phones which is under 30,000. So like that he has created a blog, and in this blog the right side you can see the ad which is shop now. The Dettol ads provides 10x better protection than an ordinary shop bar. And the left side here you can see the Dell computers ad. So these are the ads are provided by the Google. So how the Google's providing these ads? So here is the tricks to earn. So once that digit.in website created, that the time there was no visitors, but he has written a blog post and they bring the visitors on his website. How this website owners bring the visitors on his website? There is a question mark, right? So by placing ads through the Google's or Facebook or Instagram, he bring the visitors, or through the organically he brings the visitor on his website. Once this website owner saw in his website has a much more traffic, then he applied for the Google ads. And once he applied for the Google ads and the Google has viewed his website, and the Google thought, yes, that is the perfect place where I can place the ads and our ads will work for his website. Then Google approved his AdSense account, and whatever the ads are placing Google's in this website, so for that Google is paying to him. Clear? So do not straight away apply for Google ads. Once you will have a visitor on your website like 100, 200, 500 visitors you have in on your website, that time you can apply for the Google ads and Google will approve your AdSense account, and the Google will start placing the ads on your website, and for that Google will pay you. So this is the way you can earn money from blog post. Also I'm going to show you the other ways earning from the blog post. So let's check that. And here you can see Poco X3 Pro. This is, I hope this is affiliate link. So what is affiliate link? Affiliate link in the sense you are promoting other product on your website through affiliate links. So let me show you that. And here you can see the Flipkart. Okay, this mobile Poco X3 Pro, it's connected with Flipkart affiliate link. If you click this link by now, then I'm sure it will be redirected to the Flipkart page. Do you want to see? Just click this. And here you can see front of you I am opening. So the Flipkart page is open here. So if I buy this product with these links, here you can see this is called affiliate link. With this link, then that digit.in owners will get commission from Flipkart because he is promoting Flipkart product through affiliate links. So this is called affiliate marketing. So this is the best way to earn money from your blog post page. I hope you have understand the benefits of writing the blog. So if you have the blog, you can earn through the AdSense accounts. You can apply for the affiliates accounts from Flipkart, Amazon, and various companies are there. And you can promote their products through your website and you can earn money from it. Understand? So that is the powers of blog. I hope this video was helpful to you to understand the use of blogs and how you can earn money from it. So that's all, friends. I hope you have liked my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again. Bye bye.